So, if you clicked on this video, you're probably trying to burn fat. Whether you're cutting for the summer, you're just trying to lose some weight, doesn't matter. You're trying to burn some fat, look a little bit better, get a little bit healthier. I'm here to help you. But one thing I want to get out of the way, first and foremost, a calorie deficit is the only way to burn fat. You need to be eating less calories than your body is burning off. But in this video, I'm gonna help you guys through the diet portion and give you 4 things that you can start implementing into your diet that are gonna help you burn fat. So let's get into it. Number 1, eat more protein. Protein actually has the highest thermic effect, which means your body is actually going to burn more calories just by digesting it as opposed to carbs and fat. It's also the most satiating macronutrient, meaning you're going to feel a lot fuller after eating it. So if you're trying to cut, you're going to need to be in a calorie deficit. But calorie deficit comes with hunger. If you're eating a lot of protein, you're not going to be as hungry, you're not going to eat as much. Everybody asks, how much protein should I get? I always recommend 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight, but if you're cutting and your calories are a lot lower, I recommend going a little bit higher. And then if you're bulking or you're in a calorie surplus, you could get away with less protein. Because when you're in a calorie deficit, your body is running on a lot less calories, and it might use your protein for energy instead of building muscle. So if you have an excess of protein, you don't have to worry about that. But if you're in a surplus, your body is using carbs and fat for energy instead of protein, so you can get away with eating a lot less protein. Tip number 2, eat more fiber. Fiber has been shown to help with satiety. Similar to protein, it's going to keep you fuller, especially when you're dieting in a calorie deficit, when you are getting very hungry. Good sources of fiber include fruits and vegetables, which is why a lot of people recommend you eat your fruits and vegetables. Number 3, drink more water. A lot of you guys are not drinking enough water. Water is also going to help with satiety. Notice a trend here, we're shooting for satiety. You want to be satiated. The main reason why diets fail is because of hunger. When you drop your calories, your body is hungry. A good way to get rid of hunger is just to be satiated. Drinking more water is going to do that by stretching your stomach, signaling to the brain that you are full. It's also good to just be hydrated. Dehydration has actually been shown to send hunger signals to the brain, signaling that you're hungry. So don't be dehydrated. Another reason to drink water is because you're going to be peeing more. If you're peeing more, you're constantly getting up, you're taking more steps to pee more. It seems small, but if you were getting up 3 times a day to pee, and now you're getting up 6 times, that's double the steps, double the calories burned. Number 4, eat high volume, low calorie foods. These are foods like fruits and vegetables, once again, big salads, foods that don't have a lot of calories, but they are very high in volume. This is going to help with satiety once again. Higher volume foods are going to stretch your stomach just like water, signaling to the brain that you are full. And this goes without saying that you should also avoid foods that are high calorie and low in volume, such as peanut butter, nuts, avocado. Yes, you can have them in moderation, but you shouldn't have them in high quantities. You could have this much peanut butter for 200 calories, or you could have a giant salad for less than 200 calories. Like, make the better choice, make the better choice. Also, shameless plug for my new cookbook that is dropping the same time that this video drops. Big inspiration, gotta shout out Greg Doucette for giving me the inspiration to make my own cookbook. Got creative in the kitchen this past year and has honestly changed my life, so I thought I would put all my recipes that I've made into a cookbook and give it to you guys. So if you are interested in a cookbook of high volume, low calorie foods that are gonna help you lose weight, get leaner, get shredded for the summer, please go check that out. You'd be supporting me if you bought one. I've been working on it for a long time, and if you guys could show some support on it, that'd be awesome. But yeah, those are 4 tips, 4 foods that are going to help you lose body fat, get shredded, whatever your goal is. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you learned something, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new. Cookbook, link in the description, go check it out. Just dropped. The first 20 people who actually purchased the cookbook, I will be putting your name in a raffle, and if you are chosen, I will refund you the cookbook and you will get it for free. So you better go check it out before the spots fill up. If you guys need a coach, training program, links in the description all below. Fitletics, clothing, you already know, bulk supplements. Support your boy, links in the description. Love you guys. Peace!